Hi all, this is Sampath. In the today video tutorial, I am going to show Procure to Pay process in SAP. This is part 3 video. In the part 2 video, we discussed creation of request for quotation, maintenance of quotation, and price comparison. In the today video tutorial, we can discuss how to create purchase order by referring the RFQ, how to do the GR, and how to do the invoice. Okay, let's get started. Enter the T code ME21N. Press enter key. Just drag to right side. In the RFQ column, enter the RFQ number, selected RFQ number along with line item number. Now press enter key. Now system copied all the data from RFQ. Okay. Now click on check button. Release strategy is triggered. We need to release this PO in 2 levels. Okay. Now click on save button. Now purchase order is created. Just copy this number. To release purchase order, go to the transaction code ME29N. Press enter key. Click on other purchase order. Enter your recently created purchase order number. Press enter key. Click on release strategy tab. Release the first level. Then release the second level. Now save the purchase order. In the next step, we can discuss how to do the GR. To do the GR, go to the transaction code MIGO. Press enter key. Now enter the purchase order number. Press enter key. If you have the delivery note, enter the delivery note. Enter bill of lading. Enter header short text. Okay. Enter the storage location. Storage location I'm going to enter 0001. Enter item OK checkbox. Now click on check button. It looks everything fine. Okay. So before the post the goods receipt, we should understand what is the impact of goods receipt. After GR, stock level will increase. Moving average price of the material updates in the material master, purchase order history updates, and system creates material document and accounting document. Okay, click on post button. Yes, now GR is posted. Now select display. System automatically selects the recently created material document numbers. Press enter key. Okay, now first check the stock. Yes, stock is updated. Just come back. Now go to the material tab. Just double click on this material master. Go to accounting one view. Yes, it updated the moving average price. Okay. And accordingly, system calculated the total price. Moving average price into total stock, that is equal to the total value. Okay. Now come back. Now check the purchase order history. Yes, purchase order history is updated. Come back. Okay, now click on document info. Click on FA documents push button. Click on accounting document. Yes, system created the two accounting entries. First one is the stock account. Second one is the GRIR account. Stock accounts debited and parallelly GRIR account gets credit. Okay. Now come back, close this. In the next step, we can discuss how to do the invoice receipt. To do the invoice, go to the transaction code MIRO, press enter key, enter the invoice date. Reference field is the free text field. We can enter reference number of vendor invoice. This is for example, I'm going to enter this. Here, enter the purchase order number. So before entering the purchase order number, make sure which option I selected here. We should select purchase order or scheduling agreement option. Here we should select goods or service items. Click here, enter the purchase order number, press enter key. Now select the appropriate tax code. Check the what is the tax code. Tax code is VA. So both are matching. Line item tax code and header tax code should match. Now select calculate tax checkbox. Just copy this value. Don't copy the minus. Paste it here. Press enter key. Okay. Now click on simulate. Here balance should be 0. In goods receipt JRR account credited, but here JRR account debits parallelly credits to vendor account including tax. Okay. So before posting it, we should understand the what is the impact of invoice receipt. After invoice receipt, system update the purchase order history and system creates two documents. One is the invoice document and another one is the finance document. Now click on post button. Yes, now invoice is posted. To see the invoice in display, go to the transaction code /n MIR4. Press enter key. It automatically takes the recently created invoice document number. Press enter key. Yes, it's taken the recently created invoice number. Okay, so now click on follow on documents. Double click on accounting document. Here we can see the accounting entries. Input tax and GRAR account debited and parallelly credited to vendor account. Okay, now come back, close this, click on the purchase order number. Yes, purchase order history is updated. Okay, now come back. That's it today video tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.